we've reached the gorgeous master bedroom in the house, and I've loved the house so far. And the master bedroom is also gorgeous. It looks so serene and calm and nice. So you've changed a lot in this room.
Yes. So the bed used to be where we are sitting.
So the bed was here.
The bed was here, and the wardrobes used to be on one side of the room. And the problem with the layout was that even though the bed was this side, according to Vastu, the head position was not supposed to be this way. So they used to actually end up sleeping on the foot side of the bed with their head that side. So that was one very big concern that
needed to be addressed and taken care of. Okay.
Also, another little thing that was there, that you'll see that this room has a lot of doors.
Yeah, there's a bathroom door there.
There's an entrance door,
and then the balcony.
And the balcony door. Also, the balcony door was a little ahead.
Okay, so you've pushed the balcony.
Yeah. When I analyzed the entire space, the first thing I wanted to do was to push the windows out. I think that's what I do everywhere. So and I had the option because we had that.
It's the balcony.
Yeah. So I pushed the same sliding window with the same grill out. So the niches broke down. And the moment that happened, I actually got an extra 1 feet of space inside the window. The second thing I wanted to do was to place the bed
in the right direction.
Right. So that's why you'll see that what I've done is I haven't really made the headboard very lavish instead of making it horizontal.
But I love the texture of the headboard.
It looks like a plank.
I love it.
And what I did was I actually built the headboard vertically up rather than horizontally. So it
gives an illusion of a little height also.
And the bed looks.
And now there are 2 wardrobes.
So now they have individual wardrobes.
And they don't have to share their wardrobe.
Yeah.
Yay!
Which is, I'm sure all women understand.
Yeah, I don't want to share my wardrobe with anyone.
So now they get that, and now they get a space
put the TV, and then there's a study table also. So everything you could ask for in a bedroom is there in the bedroom now, and the ease of moving around the bedroom is also much
a lot.
bigger,
so now there's
nicer
space. The bathroom has its own corner. The balcony has its own space. Yeah. Everything is basically now. It feels more at peace.
It feels right and at peace. Correct. My favorite part of this room is.
I knew it.
I can take it home with me. It's very nice. It has that. Yeah. It has a texture. It's not the very typical.
It's actually an embroidered fabric.
I can tell. It's very. It's like actually embroidered. Yeah. It's not on print. It's very.
It's really nice. So the client, when we were planning the room, the colors that they initially also had orange curtains here, so they definitely liked orange color. And the darker laminates is something that was there earlier. So I wanted to definitely continue with that effect in the room. Though the parts that I kind of added was the part behind the headboard. And the orange color, which was quite vibrant, and they wanted to add it. Instead of giving it in the furnishings, I wanted to give them a space where that color can kind of be celebrated.
Yeah. But it's a small bit. It's not like, it's not on a big whole entire wall. Yeah, so your accent wall does not always have to be a full wall. It can just be a small.
So along with that, once I was doing this, that's how I chose the fabric for the chair as well. Yeah. So you see that it has the right amount of colors.
So let's go to the next room now, Pallavi. Yes, let's do it. So Pallavi, I'm going to call this room the lavender room. So this is such a pretty room. Is this a guest bedroom?
This is the guest bedroom, yes.
It's very pretty. My favorite part is the wallpaper, the lights. The lights actually got this in the entire house. It's beautiful.
So this bed, they already had that. They had ended up actually making the wardrobes in white color. Yeah, that's how the room used to look earlier. I wish I had pictures of them. What I wanted to play with is definitely the color scheme. That's wine. And when you play with a color like wine, it's a very European color. It's a very English color, so to speak, and it goes really well with white. So the first thing that I needed to do when I had that concept in mind was to have the laminates of this room in a very barn wood kind of feel. The color of the wardrobes definitely needed to change because a flat colored wardrobe.
Yeah, it needs a little texture.
So I needed to add the texture to the wardrobes, and that's why you'll see that this is the laminate I've used for this room. I've also changed the position of the wardrobes.
Okay.
I've actually brought them up to a
You've even brought the bathroom door out.
So the moment I put the wardrobes on this side, and the center portion was the door, which was actually behind, which I brought out as well.
Yeah, so that it looks clean.
Exactly.
One
it looks
flat,
like one
instead
section.
of wardrobe inside, outside.
Yeah. And we also got the space above the wardrobes to actually add a loft. So that's like additional storage that we got. So yeah, that was one of the main changes that I did here. The bed
and the wallpaper.
Yeah, hanging lights, and I wanted to add mirrors on the side so they act as dressers as well as they look nice.
Yeah, and it makes it look spacious. Tell me, this wallpaper goes so beautifully with this room. How long did it take for you to find this one? Like, did you like go like all over the city?
Yes, you were so good. I actually had to. We were. I can actually show you the number of options we went through, and we were just not zeroing down on something that would suit perfectly for this room. Finally, I chanced upon this store in Pune, and I went to there and I looked and I loved this wallpaper. So this wallpaper actually was kind of combining all the shades that we had with the shades in the laminate. It had the white and it had the perfect amount of color that I wanted to add.
Otherwise, it could become too overbearing. It's come together so beautifully. So we've seen both the bedrooms, but in between both the bedrooms, sandwiched in between, is my favorite spot in this house, and it's the landing area, and it's stunning. And I think it's the light behind the chandelier that's making it so cute and cozy. So, okay, you tell us.
So this space definitely needed one thing, is the puja.
Okay, so they wanted to puja it.
They wanted to puja it. Apart from that, they really did not want anything here. But since it was such a beautiful space, and this would be a space where they could actually hang out. So what I wanted to do is, there was this long wall here which I created a platform. And this is a nice seating. This can also be used as a day bed, or when you have extra people, they can also use it. So this was the purpose. Also, what happened is, because the railing was between, so you're seeing two of these rods here, there was only one. Okay. And the moment you raise the height from here, the safety becomes a little bit of a issue. So we kind of added another one to just kind of make it safe. So I think those little additions. And the puja unit was something that she definitely wanted, a nice big puja unit. So we did that, and the reason why we haven't closed is because especially when we are a lot of people sitting around, and you don't. It just is.
I think the puja area is more of a personal space, which you don't always want it to be open, and
that's the reason why it's an enclosed puja unit. We've given it enough nice lights outside
and the cutout pattern. I love the concept of.
This place is more like just resting kind of place. It's very peaceful. That's what she wanted. She said that if I can quote her, she actually said that this place should feel very calm and peaceful. That's what she just told me.
And it's very inviting. So if guests come here, I think they would refuse to leave. This home is such a beautiful, tranquil haven. And Pallavi, thank you so much for getting us in and showing us around this beautiful space that you have created for this wonderful family. We had an amazing time. I hope you guys had a good time with this home tour. If you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, leave your comment below and tell us what you would like to see more of and what you enjoyed the most about this video. We will see you very soon in the next video. Bye!